So welcome to our little live demonstration of DocumentChat. DocumentChat is basically a chatbot with a knowledge base attached to it in a GDPR and HIPAA BaFin compliant way because we are hosted in Germany. We are using special encryption, so all your company data is secure. But what does this knowledge base mean? It's basically if you're asking ChatGPT something about your specific machine, like what is the red flash indicating, ChatGPT won't have an answer because it is good in general knowledge, but if you have specific knowledge that needs to be based on real documents and real quotes, it fails quite quickly. So instead, with DocumentChat, you have different project spaces available where you can upload a knowledge base documents into it. So, for example, PDF files, emails, PowerPoint presentations, Word documents, and whatever. And then you can open chats in this project, and in a chat you will always get the exact quotation and citation of the document. So it kind of acts like a really good search algorithm, especially for companies that have a lot of data. You will easily be able to look through all these documents and get the exact file with the exact quote, and the bot will be quite good in retrieving this information, especially because we have our little special algorithm for this. So we are really good in these retrieval benchmarks. Additionally, we are using a lot of encryption, pseudonymization, anonymization where possible. So this makes us compliant, especially for the EU. And as I said, we are not using public cloud providers. We are using our own German servers in Germany. And so, for what use cases could this be good? For example, if you're a machine producer, you could, for example, upload manuals of your machines into it and ask questions like, what is the red flash indicating? And ChatGPT is a good general knowledge model. So it is already quite good, but of course it will not be able to reply exactly what your machine is doing. And let's say this is something we're offering in our premium tier. You are creating this project based around the manuals of your machine or of your company in general. Then you can share this project with your team and everyone can access the same knowledge base. So other use cases could be, for example, FAQ or support bots. So for example, you can upload all documents from your company on it and then place this little bot on your website and have it handling support, like first level support. And that is something that we mean with seamless integrations. So especially if you're not or if you do not want to use our apps, we are providing iOS, Android, and web apps. You can integrate it into WhatsApp, Teams, Slack, and whatever you want. And also something nice for premium tiers is the automatic document sync. So we can set a system up where OneDrive, G Drive, or SharePoint, or whatever directly connects to our bot. So for example, if you're a huge company, you can connect Confluence or your, I don't know, local network folders and have this knowledge transferred into the system directly. So I would say let's try out an example. Like for this demonstration, I downloaded the Wikipedia page of the Fennec Fox and I'm uploading it into DocumentChat right now. So this will take some seconds. Ideally, you would build this knowledge base before. And as soon as the document is uploaded, we can directly after create a new chat. But let's wait a bit. Here's our document. We will get a little preview. Of course, it's always downloadable. And let's create a little chat now. And in this chat, I will ask, where does the Fennec live? And this will take some time because, of course, it needs to look up the knowledge base. Sometimes it's huge. But now a big difference to ChatGPT and others is the source document section. So in the reply of the bot, which is already quite specific, we will get a source document, and it shows us even the relevant excerpt from the matched content. And we can again download the document in here. Of course, now I've only uploaded one document, but usually if you have a lot, they are all listed here. And this makes every answer based on real knowledge, which is a huge difference to publicly available chatbots. And the applications, as you can imagine, like I said, this is just one front end basically that we're providing, but the applications are huge. You could run automated Teams support channels for your internal company or internal employees. You could connect to a chatbot on your webpage, basically acting like support. It can be your personal little WhatsApp virtual assistant. Yeah, so I would invite you. As I said, the everything we've done so far was a free tier anyways. I would invite you to head on to the App Store, Play Store, download the app or use our web app and just try it out yourself. And I'm happy to hear from you. Like if you have a feature request or if you have a question. I mean, we're quite new with this product, so I would invite you to just try it out and contact me if you have any good feature ideas, if you're missing something, or just in general to connect. All right, see you around.